Alright, here we have the 14,000 BTU BLACK+DECKER portable AC and heater just in time for fall. It does utilize an exhaust system to the outside and a drain system that is only necessary when using the heating cycle. There are 4 operational settings: AC, dehumidifier, fan only, and heater. And there are 4 fan settings: automatic, low, medium, and high. Temperature can be revealed in Celsius or Fahrenheit. Temperature controls are located here. There's an easy access filter located in the back, as well as 2 filters housed within here, also accessible by means of a screwdriver. You can turn on the unit by pressing it directly or using the remote control. We live in a southern climate that has pretty extreme temperature switches. We really appreciate that there is a heating element to this to keep us warm in the wintertime. Again, this is the BLACK+DECKER 14,000 BTU portable AC unit with heater.